Both insulator and cloth bag must be washed on a weekly basis. Wash it with steel wool pads and detergent without glycerin. Do not use scouring pad. Get a piece of steel wool pad, soak it in water. Wet the insulator. Put neutral detergent without glycerin on it. Clean the both bigger sides and the 4 smaller sides of the insulator. Rinse it well and dry it with a napkin, paper towel, or a clean piece of cloth. Put the insulator where you were using it immediately in the correct position by using the spare cloth bag, which is clean and dry. Put the cloth bag in a glass of water and detergent neutron without glycerin and leave it to soak for 30 minutes. Do not use bleach. Scrub it and rinse it thoroughly to remove all grease and detergent residues. Squeeze and place the cloth bag over a paper napkin and leave it to dry naturally. Do not sun-dry it or ironing after it is dry. Wrap it and store it for using it next week. The recommended is that the patient himself does the insulator's cleaning. If not possible, make sure the person in charge of doing it has done correctly. When starting therapy, remember that the insulator must be washed before use, and the cloth must be washed a week later at the beginning of the weekly cleaning of both. That is it. Thank you for your attention. Follow the guidelines and always count on us.